Okay, here, my wife and I, we're on our H days or our days off from work, and the snowstorm begins. We have the kids all situated and set up, and they're at their grandma's house. So we got them situated, and now I'm going to my car, and I'm going to try to park it on another street that's facing the main road, just in case I can get my car out. Okay, on this one, this is the actual day where we go to work, and the snow has increased and the storm is really starting to pile up there. I think on our way down from our house, the snow came up to my wife's kneecaps, and we had to make a little mini hike down our street. Normally would take, a couple of minutes down. I think this one took us a little bit. We're meeting our ride. A co-worker offered to take us to work. He has one of those trucks that gets through the snow. So we are walking down from our home to the corner. Now I'm in my co-worker's car. It's a few shots of what we're riding through on Bel Air Road. Yep. All right, and we're at work now. This is around, I guess, lunchtime. They gave us a little box lunch. Yep, now the first night I decided to stay at a hotel, so this is where we are. And now I'm walking down the halls, and I'm about to go to the room because I decided I'm not going to go back home. So me and Q decided to get a hotel, and this one was offering a discounted rate if you worked for the emergency department. So here's my room. Wow. Pretty nice room. Yep, not bad. Oh, neat. Boy. Not bad at all. Yeah, it was a pretty good room too. Very nice for the money. I think we only paid like $60 for the night, and that's room service. I told my wife to enjoy it. This is our little holiday. Now this is 3 days away from home, and we're back at the house. Wow, a lot of snow.
I'm gonna have to get snow.
All I'm thinking in my mind is I've got to shovel this stuff.
Hey. Dolce?
And I get home and I see who greets me is Dolce. She's probably confused, trying to figure out where the heck we've been for the last 3 days. But I left her food and water, and she rationed it out pretty well. The house didn't look toe up, or no more tore up than normal. And
you okay?
And the house is just how we left it. You can see where she went and ate some of her food. She even used the little potty thing we got her.
Use your box.
So she tends to use that. So I was kind of glad of that.
Yep,
No mishaps in the house.
Good girl.
Yep. So she was a pretty good house cat.
Watch the house for me. All right. Well, I did all the way up to there and made a path out to the end of the road. Yep. So now, me and Dolce gonna go and have hot chocolate. Right, Dolce?
Well, the next day I rented me a truck because I was determined that we were going to have to get through work and for a few days. So it did get me through. The sucker is really big. I was just telling the clerk that, but nice ride. It got me through. But I was willing to rent this thing so that I can get
This
to
thing
work
is
every day
big.
and take me and Q to work because I knew my little car couldn't get through all that snow. We still had a lot of snow left after the storm had finally finished, and we had a lot of snow left. Yeah, now I'm just checking around for the car for little dents, but even though it's kind of hard because all the salt on the car on the truck.
Well, let me try and
And
get
this is a
started.
few more days later,
There she
and I got
is.
to dig my car out. That's where I relocated it. Oh, whew.